Hey everybody, Dan with Feldmann Imports doing a quick vehicle walk around tour today. We're going to do the 2022 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E350 4MATIC. This vehicle is for sale if you're interested in learning more or you want to set up a test drive. Comes in a really nice black exterior and we've got a two-tone black and brown interior. So we're just going to do a short little walk around tour, show you some of these exterior features, show you some of the interior features, and if you want a little more in-depth information, by all means, just reach out to us. We'd love to chat. So here we have our interior. We've got this nice dark wood grain accent trim. We've got the power memory heated seats, both driver and passenger here. We've got our premium Burmester sound system upgraded speaker package, and this really sharp two-tone look here. See our driver's seat, sunroof, got our steering wheel, alright, hopping inside, mileage at 15,663, we've got a push button ignition, and here's our touchscreen display. Currently showing navigation, backup camera, and radio. Below that we have our climate controls. We've got physical buttons here. You also have this menu that you can access and use the touchscreen. And in addition to using your touchscreen, you also have controls right here on your steering wheel and controls here on the touchpad in your center console. Well, over here, we also have our dynamic select switch here. This will allow you to switch between different performance modes, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. And last but not least, our Mercedes-Benz shifter. If you're not familiar with how these work, you just flip it up for reverse, down for drive, and push in for park. Okay, let's go ahead and hop out, show you a few more things. The vehicle does have LED ambient lighting throughout. That's all fully customizable within your menu system as well. See, we got this nice blue tint going on right here now. We've got our rear seats. Another look at that sunroof, both front and rear. Do a quick peek back up front. And coming around to the rear of the vehicle, we've got our E350 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close. So once again, that was just a brief walk-around tour of our 2022 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E350 4MATIC. If you're interested in learning more, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.